Our company is a mobile and software development company with 2 offices in London and development house in Lviv, Ukraine. We have been around since 2007 and we serve many small companies and major brands. We have moved into mobile development with 300,000 downloads, and this is mobile apps that bring us our new product, Edukidsapps. I have a son. I bring a lot of mobile devices from the office and he likes to play with them. And while he is playing with them, I have a bit of free time to read TechCrunch and other news. And I have also discovered that he likes to get a new knowledge through the mobile apps. And this convinced us to start a new project. Of course, before we went that way, we had to do our research and we looked into current market situation and found some interesting facts, which you can see on the slide behind me. And it looks like that this market is continuing to grow, and that consensus us that original IP and educational and special needs will dominate in near future. Financial forecasts are also very good. % of revenue from educational category will grow up. What's the unique selling points of our product? First of all, designed by parents and tested on our kids. And that is really important because these apps are not just a way of making money, and we wanted them for our kids, and we hope you will like them too. Second, we want to share this experience for the parents who have different mobile devices. That is why we are implementing multi-platform approach. And as I said, we want to make them available not just for English-speaking children. That is why we are going with multilingual approach. All IP and source code is developed by our in-house developers and designers. Who is our target audience and what we are trying to develop in the kids? We build apps for toddlers through grade 1 kids, and our activities are focused on the skills you can see on the slide. What are our growth catalysts? First of all, we are refining our development process to get 1 month's development per one application. Second, we reuse our artwork, sounds and code in different apps. Third, we get several applications from one core application using multilingual architecture. And also, we plan to port these apps to TV platforms such as Google TV and Apple TV. What we have done so far? We have one application on Android market, Smart Speller. Is designed to help you kids to learn letters, phonics and spelling in a more fun way. A 13 localized version will be available very soon in the next week. Sliding puzzle. Sliding puzzle will help your kids to develop visual thinking and logic. This application is in development testing for now. With guesses, children will be presented with a word and asked to choose pictures that match it. This application is also in development testing for now. Also, we have developed several unique concepts for the further developments, and we want to start the development of these apps very soon. So, in summary, we started this because we have kids ourselves and we wanted to make something for them. Rather than playing Angry Birds, we wanted them to have something fun and also educational to do on our devices. What we have built fits a growing market segment and is built on original IP and multilingual and multi-platform approach. We have one application on Android market, 2 more on the way soon, and 4 more in the pipeline. We are very excited about our project and we hope you are too. Thank you for listening, and please contact us if you're interested in collaboration around Edukidsapps.
Hi. So I think it sounds really great, and I think doing stuff for kids is brilliant, and obviously there's a lot of kids in the world, so it's potentially a large market. I'm interested in your IP. What IP do you have? In what areas?
We have IP in several areas. First of all is artwork. We have own artists and we develop the artwork and then reuse in our apps. Second, we have musicians in our team and we develop sounds. And the second one, it's the most important thing, it's a source code, because we have developed some unique development framework which can help us to polish our development process to reach very great numbers for the timeline. And to increase the time we can push this application on the market.
And how are you protecting that IP?
Yes, we protect, for now we have no patents, but we use a standard procedure of the Android market. It's a protection feature of Android market and also DRM technology of Amazon market, because we published this application on Amazon also.
Thanks. First of all, I like the idea of using your own children as test subjects, really for anything, including this. But to save that money. But it seems to me what you're talking about becoming is a publisher, where you're betting on the quality of your own ability to create art, to create music, and to create the application underneath that. But it also seems like a real challenge here, given the competition, is sales, is marketing, and distribution, and what your thoughts are for that.
Yes, we plan to be involved in some popular blogs, something like Mumsnet, maybe you know this, and so we are doing some marketing stuff, and we are going to involve some teachers with big names, which would help us to improve our concepts.
I love the idea, and my kids, well, my wife in particular, is always buying my kids apps on the iPhone and things. But do you have a central narrative to your apps, or are they all discrete stories and such like? Are they storytelling apps, or are they puzzle apps? I was also slightly unsure as to kind of the meat of what the app was going to do.
Sorry again, please.
What type of, are they story apps, or are they puzzle apps? And are you going to have a centralized character or theme? I'm just thinking, my children will go for brands they know. The Dora the Explorer I see in Spain, they would buy the Dora Explorer app, and the Disney characters will leap out from the page. Are you going to build your own characters? Are you going to integrate with other people's characters?
Yes, it's a good point, and we can involve it to our applications to use some famous characters, but would be great maybe to find a partner who have a business in a real things for the kids, because we think that maybe exists some potential if combined virtual and real goods for the kids.
Do the kids take part in the design of the apps?
Yes, we tested this on our own kids, because two partners of Lemberg have kids, and on the photo of my second slide, this is my son, and he is playing Smart Speller from Edukidsapps.
And does it work?
Yes, but we're polishing the interaction of our games, and we're testing on kids and improving. So, for example, we already have a second version of Smart Speller with improvements.
I just want to know if you have thought of how you're going to make the money, like where's the business, if it's you pay for each game, or you pay a fee and you have like the evolution of the kid, or...
Can I answer? Yeah. Now we have several strategies how to earn money on it. For now, Smart Speller is a payable application, but we also plan to do two versions for each application. One will be a free version with a limited content, and second version will be paid. And also we plan to use in-application purchases technology, and most of application also will be free. But for example, to get more characters or to get more content, you need to pay inside the application.